Thank you for taking the time to watch this introduction and overview of our Sales Automation Manager product, an add-on to the Act Contact Manager software. In this presentation, we'll cover what is Sales Automation Manager, or SAM for short, why do you need SAM, how do you use SAM, and what are our customers saying. Sales Automation Manager is an add-on for the Act Contact Manager that adds the power to automatically make decisions, perform actions, schedule activities, and create correspondence. It executes automated actions according to patterns that you define. For historical reasons, these are called campaigns. SAM is the central component of the Northwoods Automation Bundle. The Northwoods Automation Bundle also includes Web Prospect and Mail Merge. Together, these three products form a total sales and automation solution. Web Prospect brings leads into Act from web forms. SAM then decides what follow-up steps need to be done for each contact. Mail Merge generates any emails and letters. This diagram illustrates how the three products work together to provide total automation for your marketing and sales. A visitor fills in a form on your website. That sends an email to a pop mailbox. Web Prospect periodically downloads that information and adds it to the Act database. Sales Automation Manager runs and visits each contact and performs actions according to a campaign diagram which defines what process steps to perform on each contact. Some actions generate correspondence. That goes to Mail Merge and results in emails, letters, and faxes going out. Emails go out using your own internet mailbox or the SwiftPage service. So why do you need SAM? Act is a great contact manager, but people need more than a user interface displaying their contacts and requiring them to manually schedule follow-up activities. Without automated processes, people using Act have to think and do a lot of manual scheduling of follow-up activities. That requires extra time, work, and people get distracted or forget. The result is that not all leads get followed up. Manually scheduling follow-up activities just requires too much perfection to do the job that you expect of your staff. Automated processes can create the perfection you need. SAM's goal is to automate everything that can be to free up time for the salesperson to interact with the prospect. Your sales staff is expensive. We don't want them doing manual work that could be automated. If you use SAM, you'll find that you can do more with less staff. The reason for that is that SAM provides sophisticated sales automation. It can read and set context fields, it can compare fields and make decisions, it can wait for a day or a number of days or until a particular date. It can automate email, letter, and fax sending, and it also automates activity scheduling. It can even launch other applications. There have been other attempts to add automation to Act. The original Activity series could not make decisions. The current Smart Tasks has limited capabilities. Other add-on products have their own approaches. And of course, the most expensive way to provide automation would be custom programming using the Act Software Development Kit. While these methods may improve over time, SAM is now the most powerful, robust, easy-to-use, and high-performance automation system for Act. It's powerful because it makes decisions based on contact field values and can then perform a long list of actions. It's mature. The first version was released in 2005. It's easy. It uses visual programming. You design with a picture. It's fast. It runs directly on the Act database via the Act SDK. SAM is basically a visual programming system running on top of the Act SDK. What can you do with SAM? You can implement drip marketing for your new prospects. You can impose a standard follow-up process on the sales staff so follow-ups are actually done. You can periodically stay in touch with your best customers, reminding customers to renew service contracts or renew maintenance contracts. You can automatically generate and send birthday cards. You can watch for upcoming meetings and send email reminders automatically. You can map out a workflow of tasks to be performed automatically, schedule a long series of to-dos needed to fulfill an order, automate client portfolio reviews for a financial analyst, automate the loan processing workflow for a mortgage broker, and many other kinds of workflow. How do you use SAM? What roles are there? SAM automates all the decisions and actions that can be and automatically runs in the background. There needs to be a campaign designer to work with the business person and develop and revise campaigns based on the desired business process. As for the salesperson, we want them to simply contact the customer and input feedback into ACT that SAM can access. SAM makes the next follow-up decision and steps. You can picture SAM as the person behind the curtain that helps the salesperson. There can be an administrator role. The administrator can run reports, print off batches of letters, release email if you don't want them to go out automatically, and print status and pending activities reports. One of our early experiments showed that even school children can understand visual programming language. We believe that a picture is worth 1,000 lines of code. Visual programming can make programming very simple. Here you see that a contact will begin at start. A first email will go out immediately, and they will wait 4 days, and then a next email will go out. Finally, they land in stage 3. On the other hand, while visual programming makes programming simple, it is also very powerful. This is a diagram for the sales process requested by our own salesman. All he needs to do is change a field, sales status, and process daily to-dos using ACT. SAM runs in the background for him, implementing the automated process that he felt comfortable with for working with his clients. An important feature of SAM is that it is in sync with the ACT user. If the salesperson has a pending activity, SAM waits for it to be completed or cleared. Then, by looking at fields set by the salesperson, SAM is able to perform the right follow-up step. We developed and use SAM to automate our own sales, and SAM customers rely on it heavily. I use the product to automate many processes that would normally have to be done manually, saving me a lot of staff hours as well as a lot of money. SAM is critical to us. It ensures that we automate things that previously we had to employ staff to do. We get benefits of scale, not needing to hire more staff the busier we are with mundane, repetitive tasks. We're confident you too can save a lot of money and time with SAM. To learn more, visit our website, watch the product videos, and also dive into the user guide. What would you like to automate? We have consultants that will help you. Thank you for watching this video.